Hello students, open page number 54 in your book, working in PowerPoint, and first topic, create title slide. Okay, when we start our PowerPoint program, by default PowerPoint open with a blank presentation. It is very simple and easy to use when you working in PowerPoint for a first time. See this, on a slide pane, click on placeholder, the reads click the add title slide. Okay, this is a title slide. By default, when you open PowerPoint, by default you can see the title slide. This is a size handling. With the help of this, you can change the size of text box. Next, type the title. First of all, we type our The Tiger. Next is the subtitle. You can subtitle here. This is our national animal. Our national animal. Okay. Now next, this is our first slide, and the status bar shows the slide number. Slide 1 of 1. See here, 1 of 1. The slide tab of slide out pane shows the thumbnail of slide. This is called thumbnail of slide, and you can see the status here. Now move on next page 58. Click on outline. When you click on outline, you just see you can see the outline of slide that you have created. Outline tab shows the slide number. See this is a slide number 1 along with icon of slide. ये icon है slide का, and the text of slide. slide की जो text है वो भी आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. On the slide out pane, click on slide tab to go back to thumbnail. Now again click on slides. Now you can go back to thumbnail. थंबनेल क्या है? छोटी स्लाइड है, उसे थंबनेल बोल सकते हैं. इफ यू क्लिक ऑन क्लोज ऑन टाइटल बार, सी दिस, क्लोज ऑन टाइटल बार, you will see a dialog box. Point number 8, you will see the dialog box. If you click on no, PowerPoint will close the presentation without saving, and you will lose all slide. This means that it is important to save a presentation. Okay, अभी आप नो पे क्लिक करोगे तो आपका प्रेजेंटेशन सेव नहीं होगा, एंड जो भी आपने वर्क किया है वो चला जाएगा. एंड इफ़ यू क्लिक ऑन यस, अगर आप यस पे क्लिक करेंगे तो डायलॉग बॉक्स आएगा जहाँ पे आप प्रेजेंटेशन को सेव कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ सी दिस, ये डायलॉग बॉक्स आएगा, यहाँ पे आप प्रेजेंटेशन को सेव कर सकते हैं. जब आप प्रेजेंटेशन को सेव करेंगे ऑन तो क्या होगा? यू हैव टू गिव अ नेम ऑफ योर फाइल. बाय डिफॉल्ट प्रेजेंटेशन विल बी सेव इन डॉक्यूमेंट फोल्डर. सी दिस, डॉक्यूमेंट फोल्डर में आपका प्रेजेंटेशन सेव होगा. In file name text box, you can see the default name, the tiger. यहाँ पे आपको default name दिखाई देगा जो है the tiger. We will save the presentation with the default name, the tiger. Click on save button. Okay, अब हम save button पे click करेंगे. See this. जब हम सेव बटन पे क्लिक करेंगे तो टाइटल बार में क्या आएगा? द टाइगर, न्यू नेम. योर फाइल सेव विथ नेम द टाइगर. न्यू नेम ऑफ योर फाइल द टाइगर. ओके, यू कैन सेव फाइल with the help of this quick access toolbar. and you can click on open office button, and here also a save button. So this way you can save your file. Now move on next thing, open an existing presentation. How to open existing presentation? On a taskbar, click on start and you can see the document. Same thing, you can click on office button and open. With the help of this you can open your document. Now again I want to add a new slide. How can you add your slide? So first, this is a new slide. Add a new slide from here. Okay, now I am click on this new slide option. Here is a layout. See this, there are different layout from where you can change the setting. Slide number 2. For example, I choose this layout, title and content. So this is our slide number 2, second slide. Here we can add information. Slide insert करने के बाद you can choose the new slide and give the title to the new slide. You can also insert some pictures in your slide. Okay, if you want to give a title, then give it title. After giving title you can add picture. Okay, for example, introduction. Now I want to add a picture. Click on insert, clip art. Search here for animal. Okay, after searching you get the picture of tiger. By just clicking you add a picture of tiger. With the help of this you can resize the picture of tiger. Now you can format the picture, you can give border with the help of this option. This way you can format your picture. After formatting a picture, if you want to add a new slide, see this is a slide number 2. If you want to add a new slide, first click on home tab and click on new slide. After clicking new button, go through the layout. See this, there is different type of layout. If you choose to content, you can see the to content layout and you can type in both sides. For example, project tiger, and you can add information here and you can add information here also. This way you can add information both sides. Now if you want to format your slide, there is options. First of all, you have to click particular object which you want to format. Now see this is a font size, font. You can change a font from here. Next is a font size. With the help of font size you can change the size of font. Here is 2 button, increase font size and decrease font size. With the help of increase you can increase, and with the help of decrease you can decrease font. Okay, there is 3 button, bold, italic and underline. See this, see the change, bold, Again I click on this button, italic and underline. This is a shadow button. With the help of these you can give the shadow to your document. Now change case, sentence case. First of all I change the font type, then after सेंटेंस केस, सेंटेंस का फर्स्ट लेटर कैपिटल हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट इज अ लोअर केस, सी दिस. नेक्स्ट इज अ अपर केस and capitalize each word. You can see the each word first letter is capitalized. Toggle case, small convert into uppercase and uppercase convert into lowercase with the help of toggle case. So this is our change case command. Next is a font color. You can change color from here. You can click on more color and by choosing color you can change your font color. So with the help of this font group, from home tab you can change color. This is a slide group. From home tab you can add slide, you can delete slide. If you want to click on this you can delete your slide and reset and see the layout option. So from home tab you can modify your slide in different way.